I am a drag queen. When people hear drag queen, they think man in a dress, and that's not me. Sometimes I wear pants or like culottes.
Stop, no more!
I have an awesome job. I've been in, say, 35 countries, and I've been on 100 TV shows or so. I'm in a movie with Lady Gaga. If you got a check, I got a talent, basically.
Look at me! Ooh.
And I'm buying my first house in Palm Springs. Anthony and I are business partners, and we live together, but we're not in a relationship.
Willem and I are best friends. We have been since we met 5 years ago. I also help him produce his videos, and I'm a DJ. I'm definitely more of a realist. Willem is the creative type.
He kind of keeps me grounded. If I'm like, I want to put a zip line in, it's like, no, we need a dishwasher. The amount of money I want to spend on a house is way more than what I'm actually going to spend on a house. I have about $500,000 in tip money. It's just all ones. From my shows.
This pool I love. All good party houses have pools.
Space
Yeah,
goes,
gorgeous.
is that enough space?
Yeah, I'd like a little more. I want at least like a half an acre lot, I think, for sure.
I love this house.
It's Spanish, Moroccan.
I want homey. I want people to be able to come into this house and just relax.
This house should be about fun and cute. Anywhere you look, a good backdrop for a selfie. That's what this house is about. It's about being super cute and helping you be cute. Put her on. So I'm willing to compromise on things, but only in pretend. Really, I'm just gonna choose whatever I want.
Where's the house at?
I don't know. Good fences make good neighbors. Let's see.
I like this big wall.
Yeah, it's very Spanish, adobe.
It's like a compound.
Yeah, feels like mid-century sprawling ranch.
Oh, wow, look at the golf course.
There's a putt-putt.
That's cool.
I wonder if they have a go-kart track on the other side.
Color is kind of Spanish.
It looks like bad foundation. The front paint color of this house reminds me of a bad shade of foundation. The kind that someone's wearing it and you're like, your neck doesn't match your chest.
We have 2,646 square feet, which doesn't even include the casita, which is attached.
What's the casita?
The casita is like a small guest house that they have out here in the desert.
Sounds very Spanish.
It does. See, so you'll get something
See, exactly. Yeah,
you'll get something off your wish list.
Yeah, see.
I like the floors.
I don't like the floors.
No?
No.
What don't you like about them?
I think that if it's an indoor-outdoor space with like a pool and a vacation home in Palm Springs, you're gonna have a lot of wet feet, and I don't want to be dealing with warped floors. I don't know, it just feels like very closed in and cozy and like not modern, not open space concept. Like, why do you have this rickety fireplace? You don't need a fireplace, we're in the desert.
It's very, like, dark and just kind of...
Yeah, I feel like you could touch the ceiling if you wanted.
Yeah.
Well, take a look over here. Here's the dining room.
Well, what I like about this dining room is it's close to the front door where I can leave and go eat somewhere else. Downtown Palm Springs is right here, which is awesome. Because right now, I don't want to dine in here. The room just feels disjointed. The ceiling was built 1 year, the walls were built another year, shelves shouldn't have been built at all.
Well, all easy fixes.
Yeah. Here's the thing, who knows better about a makeover than a drag queen, right? So I'm not afraid of renovations. I'm not interested necessarily in doing a ton, but I will if I have to.
Let's go check out the master suite.
A master bedroom next to a dining room. I like that, eat and pass out.
What do you think?
Nice, big, open room.
I love a big open master suite.
A lot of natural light.
The view can't be beat. You can see the mountains from in here. I'll be right out. Oh, the bathtub looks like not something I would want to take a bath in.
And the mirror next to the toilet.
Nobody wants to watch themselves that closely, ever. Do they? I certainly don't. You know what? I think the best solution for this bathroom is to walk away from it.
Okay, guys, come out here and check out your backyard entertaining area.
Wow.
It's all walled in and private.
I don't like the hot tub.
What don't you like about it?
It's connected to the pool, and it's right in the middle. People do stuff in the hot tubs in the corner of the yard that they don't do in the middle of the yard. Hot tubs should be in a secluded spot for all the obvious reasons. And you know exactly why, and if you don't need to be in the hot tub.
So look, you have your own personal putting green. There's even a sand trap.
Uh-oh, don't get caught.
Oh my gosh.
Don't get caught. I like the mountains. What do you think?
Beautiful.
Lay by the pool, we'll look at the mountains.
That's one of the major reasons people come to Palm Springs is to have that mountain view. Let's go back inside. We have a lot more to see.
Okay.
The good thing about this house is most of the bedrooms are down the hall and separated from the master, which a lot of people like. Because if you're, having guests, people like to have their space.
Okay.
Kitchen.
No, not as big and open as I would need for a party.
Ronnie, this is not a $499,000 kitchen. I've seen better kitchens than a camper. Maybe there's more in here.
Washer dryer in the kitchen, okay.
Wait, how are you gonna fit pool towels in here? No, you couldn't even cook a pound of pasta in there. This is too small. Light the stove and let's get out of here.
I see, you don't like the kitchen. All right.
The lot is great. I
Yeah.
mean, the privacy with the
A
wall.
lot of space, definitely the wall feels like a compound.
The pool, the putt-putt,
Love the pool,
lots of room.
all in the sun. Big, open, outside area, definitely can party out there, but this house, no.
Yeah, the outside is like very Saint-Tropez, very that, but the inside is a cave. I feel like stuff needs to be moved and reconfigured, and I don't know. It seems like a lot of work.
Right.
And we're at the top of our budget, so I don't know how realistic that is. And that kitchen is boo-boo. Can't believe you showed us that kitchen. Can you show us something else?
Of course, let's take a look at some mid-century places.
I'd love that. Shall we?
I love that front door.
Yeah, that front door, that orange creamsicle fantasy.
Gorge.
I really like the lush gardens also. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stage, Lush Gardens. It's so lush.
Oh.
Not at all.
No.
No, those gardens. Wow. Oh.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Welcome.
What's up? Wow.
This is 1,585 square feet.
I love the openness of this.
Feels like they tried to make a box mid-century modern. When was this built?
1959.
So it is mid-century modern technically, but it just feels very like Edward Scissorhands 1950s mid-century modern, like not right. I'm mad at the update. The update doesn't feel luxe enough at all. It doesn't feel like a nice party house.
I like this kitchen.
Yeah, I mean, it's okay. The owner obviously loved orange with that door and these cabinets and orange grout. That's a lot. It's one thing to have an accent color, but girl.
Always something that can be fixed.
New appliances.
Yeah, this is the open concept you were looking for. You can entertain while you're cooking. Guests can see you.
How the go-go boy's gonna bang his head on this hood. That's not what an island is for.
Willem is really hard on Ronnie. Willem's a tough customer. He's very hard to please.
But a beautiful view.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I think you might even do the dishes with that view.
Don't touch me again. The view is beautiful and picturesque.
Let's go check out that backyard.
Check it out.
Let's go take a look.
I don't touch door handles, Ronald.
Allow me. This is your outdoor entertaining space. Just under 11,000 square feet for all the parties you want to have.
Wow, a lot of space. Is that putt-putt?
It is. A brand new pool and spa.
That's a bathtub. I don't like that. It's like
How
you put
deep is that?
I would say that's about 5 feet.
jump in.
Afterwards.
Okay.
And a fire pit?
That is a fire pit, so perfect for your pool parties.
What's with this landscape, though? I feel like they took 1930s Kansas and brought it to California.
Well, maybe they did a little bit, but as you can see, they did some plantings around.
Like, maybe they did import these from Kansas. I don't know. I like it. I mean, it's nice. There's a lot of room out there to do a lot of different things.
A lot of potential.
Totally, yeah.
Can't wait to see these bathrooms and bedrooms.
Oh, wow.
Ooh, pretty blue.
Right? This tile?
Yeah.
That, the shower looks like a cow standing on its back legs.
Well, there's a lot going on in there.
Yeah.
Can fit 8 people at once.
No,
No, Ronnie,
8
close the
people
door.
can't.
Excuse me, I'm sorry. Absolutely not. Ronnie, if our friends had to, like, go in from the pool, though, they'd, like,
Walk through the house, the whole...
every single room.
Yeah, this
Every
is
single room.
too far.
No, and weird layout.
Big people can't fit in
Yes.
this
We do
little
have a couple big friends.
tight spaces.
Couple of big ones.
Let's go see these other rooms.
Huh.
Is that a guest bedroom or a closet? This is bigger.
Now you're talking.
Yeah, this is a bedroom.
Yeah.
So here's your master.
Ooh, lovely. A lot of natural light in here.
Doesn't feel mid-century modern in here at all. It feels like last century, like, I don't know. Here's a bathroom. Wow.
Oh, washer dryer in the master. Cow udders.
These cow udder showers, for sure. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it just seems like a really nice utility room. It's open and a blank slate for improvements out back. It definitely needs some improvements. I don't think it's move-in ready for what we would want to do, our lifestyle.
I like that this is updated. Yeah, I just need more. I feel like this is too small for how much land we're on.
And it is kind of mid-century modern-ish, but I need more space for my friends. I have a lot of friends. I'm very popular. And this one, people like him too. I wouldn't say this is a party house.
A small party.
A small party, an intimate party.
An intimate party.
A gathering house.
Yeah, a couple people. I would love to see something more Spanish desert, cozy.
Abu Dhabi.
Ronnie's here.
Hi, guys. How you guys doing today?
Oh, I love
Gigs.
it already.
What's up?
Welcome. Hey, good to see you.
Good to see you too.
So I wanted you to see the Spanish-style house,
Okay.
just under 2,000 square feet.
I already love it.
Why?
Because it's Spanish. This is what
This
I
is
wanted.
not Spanish. Where's the Spanish? Show me Spain.
Spanish.
Spanish. Just because you wave your hand and say Spanish doesn't make it Spanish. You put a little salsa on it. But what is that?
I'm not quite sure.
Details, Ronald.
Oh, nice courtyard.
I'm tripping for this place.
Pretty.
What do you think?
I like it. I can see it already has a sound system, high ceilings, really nice.
I don't like any of the tile.
I like that big clock.
If we purchase this home, I want a clause in the contract that says we get that great big clock.
You got it.
Oh, I love great big clocks. Oh my gosh, does this bad boy work?
It does.
Yeah? Gas?
Does, yes, gas burning.
I don't like it. I want wood fire for like crackling Palm Springs desert s'mores moments.
Yeah, I feel like fireplace may be overkill, but let's keep an open mind.
Totally, it's very spacious.
Got a good vibe.
Look at this big open concept kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah, great for parties. And then there's this nice living room area, all kind of connected.
I think this island is good. I think we get a go-go boy or two up on there. One there, one here, splitting shifts, pooling tips. Throw the tips in the sink. Yeah, this could be a fun little party house, like in the back maybe.
Yeah, let's go take a look at it. This is your outdoor pool area, entertaining space.
Wait, what is this?
I said it's your outdoor entertaining area, pool and spa.
So loud out here.
So loud.
Oh my gosh, is it in the middle of the highway?
Well, it is next to one.
Oh, it's freezing.
Ooh.
It's because it's in the shade.
And it's next to a highway, so really that's like a highway puddle.
Ew.
Well, down the hall to the right here, you have your guest bathroom.
Ugh. Brown carpet?
Here's the laundry room.
Nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Open.
And you have one of your guest bedrooms right here.
Really nice.
And here's the second guest bedroom.
Oh, cool. This is where Betsy Ross made that flag.
This is the master bedroom.
Oh, I love it.
Speakers.
Speakers, big California king bed,
Big enough for me and all my dreams. Yeah.
high ceilings.
Nice. And the pillow matches old Dusty Valance. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stage, Dusty Valance.
Ooh, so
Ooh,
dusty.
Dusty.
So dusty.
So dusty.
This vent's blowing out fierce cold air.
Kicking.
That's where all the dust came from.
Come on, Dust. I got a balance for you.
Here's your master bathroom.
Wow, it's huge. Big shower. Wow, fit a whole football team in there.
We could charge a cover. This is like the nicest room in the house. They did this good. Props to them.
Big high ceilings, Spanish. Speakers.
It's spacious.
As much as I love Spanish and this house, I think it's more about what you want.
It's less than I wanted to spend, but it's also less than I actually wanted.
Yeah.
Yeah, and do you want to party here in that backyard?
No, not that close to the highway.
No, I like to be at least like 20 feet from the highway. But gosh, we have so much to think about.
Yeah, you've got some decisions to make.
Yeah. What about that ranch? That was the most expensive, the one with the big adobe wall.
And it has kind of a Spanish vibe, or maybe just a desert.
Desert, yeah.
Yeah. Huge pool,
Huge pool.
outback area, not noisy.
That putt-putt,
Tons of potential.
yeah. Have Tiger Woods over.
Not really digging how dark,
cave-like it was in there.
It would definitely need some like relaying out, I think.
Yeah, we definitely need to zhuzh.
And we don't have much money for that because it's top of our budget. The mid-century modern house has that cute door, but after that, it kind of went,
I loved how big that lot was. Definitely a lot of potential there.
corner lot.
Huge lot.
Waiting for someone to put their own taste on it, which I totally can do. It's like a blank slate. So that's nice. There's ample room for entertaining. That pool was small though. That pool was more of a puddle. It's fully updated at least.
But even with it being fully updated, it's not to our tastes. I feel like we would still have to knock out that whole kitchen and open it up more, put a sound system in.
And by we mean
Somebody.
somebody. That Spanish, that was 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, pool, next to the highway.
Yeah,
What'd you think?
I liked it. Speakers throughout, high ceilings, open concept.
The kitchen was right off the pool, which is nice for entertaining. It had a nice island too. It's a good price. Which house would make our friends the most jealous? That's the one I want. We went with the ranch. It's the biggest bang for our buck, so.
Yeah, a lot of space here, a lot of potential. We're really inspired. I love the wall. The wall is very Spanish feel to me, Adobe. It's very like compound private. The other properties that we saw didn't have much privacy.
This house was listed for $499, and I think I paid $489. Ah! I don't like this game. If there's no Wi-Fi, there's no Willem. I haven't stayed here yet, but I have used the pool. We've had friends over.
Neon signs.
Neon signs.
Vending machines.
Vending machines.
Vending machines.
Very Japanese. I love it. Back alley Tokyo. The side of the house is going to be super cool. It's going to be like the back alley of an arcade, like all the fun games are at, and like a couple of tire swings and lights. Airstream trailer for
Maybe
that.
the hot tub back here.
Ooh, a hot tub moment here would be great. Lovely. Hello.
Oh, yeah. I love the outfit.
You are stunning.
Looking nice. Working.
Look at that.
Sorry.